Good morning students, this is science video. We were on chapter number 8, that is reproduction in animals, and I have finished the definition of reproduction. I have told you about some bird habits that they sit on their eggs to get them warm and develop the baby inside the egg. In today's topic we are going to discuss some internal structure of an egg. We will discuss the labeling of the egg. We will discuss how many parts are there inside the egg, what are they called, what is the name behind them. So it's on page number 67. As you come to your book and open the page number 67, you will get the diagram of the internal structure of an egg. Is it clear? Before starting with the topic today, I just want to tell you that one thing, that we are going to take the periodic exam sheets from you, and your parents are going to submit it in the school reception from Monday onwards. So make sure your parents will come to the school reception between 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Is it clear? Between 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. in working days from Monday onwards. So your periodic exam sheets should come for the submission. Is it clear? Exam sheets. And one more thing, there is no time taking process. Just tell your parents that only 5 minutes will take to go there and just submit it and come back. There's no need to wait and time taking procedure will be done. There's no something like that. And one more thing was there, that you don't have to come to the school. Is it clear? Not a single child will come to the school for the submission. Is it clear? Only parent will come. This is the strict one. So don't come to the school just for fun, just for roaming around. So let's begin with the topic. These two things which I need to mention, clear it, as you can say. So I have cleared it. What you have to do, you have to tell your parents that you have to submit periodic exam sheets from Monday onwards in the school reception between 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Is it clear? So let's begin with the today's topic, science. Come to the page number 67, that is internal structure of an egg. Let's begin with it. So this is how it looks like. Internal structure of an egg. As you can see, internal means the whatever the present inside the egg, we are that is known as internal. Structure means how it looks, right? So अंदर से कैसे दिखता है अंडा, वो हम देखेंगे इसमें. एग कैसे दिखता है अंदर से, वो इस तरह देखेंगे. आपने अंडा खाया भी होगा तो पता भी होगा कि एक वाइट होता है, एक ग्रे कलर का होता है, और फिर सबसे अंदर क्या होता है, येलो होता है. ठीक है. बॉइल्ड एग अगर आप आधा काटोगे तो आपको ऐसे ही कुछ दिखेगा. बाहर का एरिया पूरा वाइट दिखता है, अंदर का एरिया थोड़ा सा आपको ग्रे कलर में दिखेगा, और फिर सबसे अंदर जो देखेंगे वो अंदर येलो होगा. ठीक है. सो एन एग हैज अ थिन हार्ड आउटर शेल कॉल्ड एग शेल. एक थिन मतलब बहुत पतला, हार्ड थोड़ा सा हार्ड होता है, और वो शेल की तरह होता है. शेल पता है ना, एक तरह से मतलब एक कवर किया जाता है, तो उसको शेल बोल देते हैं. सो एग हैज अ थिन हार्ड आउटर शेल कॉल्ड एग शेल. उसको हम एग शेल बोलते हैं. द आउटर साइड ऑफ द सर्फेस ऑफ द एग इज नोन एज एग शेल, जिसको हम बॉईल करने के बाद निकाल देते हैं, शेल को निकाल देते हैं. ठीक है. एग शेल प्रोटेक्ट्स द बेबी इनसाइड इट. एग शेल क्या करता है, बेबी को, जो भी बेबी अंदर होता है इस एग के, उसको वो प्रोटेक्ट करता है. अ वाइट jelly-like substance called albumin is present inside the egg. Jelly-like substance. As you can see, after breaking in the egg, you will see the liquid coming fluid coming out of that egg. That is known as albumin. If we boil the egg, then the white part of that egg is known as albumin. Is it clear? If we don't boil it, the liquid part is known as the albumin. Is that clear? So it is a jelly like substance. As you can see, jelly is squeezable. As you can squeeze, it comes to the same shape as you do that. So jelly like substance means a sticky one, right? A white jelly like substance called albumin is present inside the egg. It's known as albumin. Is that clear? So pronounce it clearly. Albumin is rich in proteins. Albumin is rich in proteins. It is high in proteins. That's why bodybuilders eat egg whites. As you have heard it, that egg whites and egg yellow part. There are two parts of that egg, right? One is egg white, one is yellow part. So yellow part is the another thing, but the albumin, the white part, is rich in protein. It is rich in protein. What is protein? We have done in chapter number 1 we have talked about nutrition, right? So in nutrition we have talked about carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. So as you can recall it, that proteins come from there. It is a part of the nutrition or nutrient. Is that clear? So within the albumin is a yellow part called yolk. White part is known as albumin. Yellow part is known as yolk. Is that clear? So there are three parts: eggshell, yolk and albumin. Is it clear? The outer shell is known as eggshell. The inner one, that is jelly like substance, that is known as albumin, and the inside the jelly we have the round ball of that yellow part is known as yolk. So there are three parts of the egg. First is outer one, then the middle one, then the inner side of that egg. Outer shell is known as eggshell. Inner one, that is jelly like substance, that is known as albumin, and the yellow part of that egg is known as yolk. So it's very easy to remind it or recall it, so you can learn it from here only. The yolk is rich in fats, vitamins and minerals. Only albumin is rich in protein, but the yolk is rich in three nutrients: fats, vitamins and minerals. Is it clear? So you can learn from here that albumin is rich in proteins, but yolk is rich in fats, vitamins and minerals. That means three nutrients you are getting from the yolk itself, this yellow part. That's why bodybuilders eat the yellow part most. As you can see, their diet, they include yellow part of the egg very much. Okay? The yolk contains food for the embryo. Inside this yellow part, they contain food for the embryo. Embryo, here is the spelling of embryo. As you can see, embryo. Okay? EMBRYO. Embryo means the small cell that is not yet developed. अभी तक वो बच्चा बड़ा नहीं हुआ है, मतलब डेवलप नहीं हुआ है, अभी वो छोटा सा सेल है. समझ रहे हो? इसके अंदर एक छोटा सा डॉट होता है, ठीक है? वही डॉट धीरे धीरे क्या करता है, बढ़ता जाता है और वही वो चिक बनता है. समझ रहे हो? वही चिक बनता है. ये अंडे के अंदर छोटा सा एक डॉट टाइप का बच्चा पैदा मतलब स्टार्ट हो जाता है और वो इतना ही छोटा होता है, एक डॉट के बराबर. उसको हम बोल देते हैं, जब वो बिल्कुल डेवलपमेंट स्टेज पे होता है तो उसको हम बोलते हैं एम्ब्रियो. जब वो बाहर निकल जाता है तो उसको हम चिक बोल देते हैं. समझ में आ गया? तो बिल्कुल डेवलप्ड सेल को, जो अनडेवलप्ड सेल है, उसको हम एम्ब्रियो बोलते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? कोई भी डेफिनेशन नहीं समझ में आ रही है, वर्ड नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, तो मुझसे व्हाट्सएप में पूछ लीजिए. बट एम्ब्रियो इज नोन फॉर द अंडर डेवलप्ड सेल. ठीक है. So this is all about internal structure of an egg, and we will understand tomorrow, that is life cycle of an hen. You will see the life cycle of a hen tomorrow. Is it clear? Thank you so much.